the FIFINE K669 Pro. Tonight we'll be reviewing this microphone and seeing all the cool features that this USB microphone has, and what's more important, we will see if it holds up to the title affordable quality. So the first thing that you get out of the box is the user manual, and of course it'll tell you how to set up your FIFINE K669 Pro. And in the box you have the cables, and this is a USB to USB-C cable. All right, USB to USB-C. And it also have this little tripod stand, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the tripod. I'm going to be hooking it up to my stand. And then you have the microphone itself. Looks pretty sturdy. Feels pretty sturdy. Got a little windscreen on it. And yeah, that's it. There's a small USB-C at the bottom. So you'll be hooking this into your computer or laptop. Or if you're using it for gaming, recording, you can hook it up to your PlayStation or Xbox, whatever you're using this microphone for. And I'm going to go ahead and power it on. All right. Oh boy, look at that thing. So off rip, the mic starts to glow. And now I'm itching to use this. So we're going to switch from the microphone I'm using now to this bad boy and see what type of difference we hear. Okay, now I have moved to the FIFINE K669 Pro, and tell me, how does my audio sound? And if it does sound good to you, let me just show you guys the current price of the mic I was just using, the SE Dynacaster, and the price of this current mic. Yeah. So keep that in mind. So let's talk about what we have here. Right here in the front of the mic, you have a gain control. You can turn the mic up or down. Make sure you turn the mic up when you start. When I first started, I had it down. I was like, what's going on? It's because I had the mic down. You know, I couldn't hear myself when I recorded. So I got it all the way up. And I got it all the way up so you guys can kind of hear, you know, how much power it can have. And you have a mute button in the front. When the mute button is green, that means the mic is active. If I all right, you guys get the picture. When the mic is red, that means the mic is not active. And one of the unique things about this microphone is the color setting. So you can make your settings pop with this color setting. So the button on the back controls the colors. If you hold it for 3 seconds, you know, it can go off. Hold it for another 3 seconds, it comes back on. You can just tap it and it will change colors. You guys may not be able to see too much color, like right here. This setting right here just goes between the different colors it has. Or if you like one specific color, you tap the back of the microphone to change the settings. You have a nice red color. Tap it, you know, and this is a mix between red and orange. Different colors, whatever color you need. I kind of like this one. This one is pretty dope. And that's what I like about this microphone. It can really bring a little something different to your video. If you're a gamer, a podcaster, whatever, this microphone is pretty good. And for the price, why wouldn't you check it out? So my overall thoughts about the FIFINE K669 is a pretty good microphone. And you can plug and play in anything like a laptop, a desktop, a gaming system like your PlayStation or Xbox, and it sounds pretty good. The price is pretty good also. The different color settings on the microphone really brings it out. It adds something different. And for the price, this is definitely something that I would put as affordable quality. Thanks for checking me out, and make sure you guys check out the FIFINE K669 Pro. Peace.